I'm gonna make some coconut fresh fruit juice. So you need some whatever fruit you want. But I pick a white coconut meat, green kiwi, and yellow mango. Coconut juice and some chia seed and some ice cubes and Sprite. Here's the bucket that we use. First, we put some fruits. Put it gently. And some mango. And some green kiwi. Next, we're gonna put some chia seed. Put it really carefully, or it's gonna spill. And some fresh coconut juice. Put it really carefully. And next I'm gonna put some Sprite. Put it really carefully. Whoa, it's bubbly. Ah. Ooh. Last, you put some ice cubes. Yeah. Ah! Oopsies. Now we're gonna mix it. Now I'm gonna try it. It's so yummy and